Alright, man, I'm here back at Jiffy Lube. This guy gonna fuck up my oil, man. Fuck this dude at. Yo, man, you fucked up my shit, bro.
Everybody fuck your goddamn oil change.
Man, you fucked up my shit, bro. Yo, weak ass ain't even know what he doing. What is that, bro? What you doing?
Yo, I'm gonna squirt your motherfucking ass.
Man, you better move back, bro. I'll sue your ass. I'll sue your ass, man. You better fix my car, bro.
I ain't fixing shit.
You better fix my car.
You raggedy ass motherfucking neon up in this goddamn motherfucker. I told you the motherfucker goddamn a filter and a goddamn and need another oil change. I could have did it, but I didn't want to with your broke ass.
Oh, is that how you
Get your
feel?
goddamn ass out here if I hit you with
Man.
this motherfucking thing, man.
Man, fuck you, man.
What's up? Fuck you.
Man, shut the fuck up, bro.
Young punk ass,
Look, man.
ass boy.
Fuck you, man.
Fuck you, goddamn. Get your ass right now.
Cho broke ass. That's why you work here anyways. Man, fuck this place, man.